Alright, first things first, we preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I start prepping vegetables. I take 2 to 3 medium stalks of celery and then cut them coarsely. I'm cutting them at an angle, flipping it over each time as I go to get a nice little angled design every time. You can cut them straight if you'd like. Next, I peel 3 carrots. Do the same thing with the carrots, cutting them into large pieces. And with the onion, cutting into large pieces as well. Once all the vegetables are prepped, I take a Dutch oven. If you don't have a Dutch oven, you can use any large oven-safe pot over medium heat and add a touch of oil and toss in the vegetables. At this point, I will also add 2 bay leaves. Some people think it doesn't add any flavor, but I believe it does. When the vegetables have cooked for a little bit, I move them to one side and add the chicken. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but you can use any part of the chicken you'd like. After it's seasoned with some salt, put the lid on and pop it in the oven. And that will bake for about 90 minutes. And it's ready to serve. Low in fat, high in protein, and it won't cause an IBS flare-up. What more could you ask for? That was chicken in a pot. In case you missed our first 2 episodes, they were a little less practical and a little bit more for entertainment value, but the mission of all of our dishes remains the same. Just because you live with a certain dietary restriction doesn't mean you can't enjoy what you eat. Let us know in the comments what your limitations are, and we'll show you something you can make with them. Thanks for watching.